So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna discuss on light ray versus sentry. So let's begin. Firstly, let us discuss on light ray. He made his first appearance in the New Gods issue number 1. And light ray is a new god, a powerful soldier of New Genesis and a loyal subject of High Father. Light ray, he was originally a child named Solis, one of the new gods living on the planet New Genesis. And when he was a boy, Solis became a close friend of another young new god, Orion, and their friendship has lasted into the present. One day, Orion, Solis, and their older friend Metron investigated a large hole on their planet's surface. Within was an outpost of enemy soldiers from the planet Apocalypse. These soldiers had been transformed by an energy bomb into beings composed of solar energy. The soldiers found Solis and bombarded him with solar energy blasts. Orion fought the soldiers and finally Metron, after summoning help, rescued the two boys. Arriving New Genesis soldiers defeated the energy beings. As a result of the energy blasts he took, Solis, aka Light Ray, lay in a coma. After a month of effort, Metron succeeded in reviving him. Solis learned that his body had absorbed the solar energy fired at him, and that he had somehow thus gained solar energy powers himself. Solis learned to master these powers and renamed himself Light Ray. Years later, Light Ray has proved to be a staunch ally and friend to Orion in his battle against the force of Apocalypse. Now let us discuss Light Ray's powers and abilities. He basically has all the new god physiologies inside him. That is, number 1, immortality, number 2, superhuman strength, number 3, superhuman stamina, number 4, flight. And Light Ray has the ability to defy gravity and fly at high speeds. The number 5 is superhuman speed. Light Ray was fast enough to caught a star sapphire by surprise, and he removed her ring without being detected and evade the combined assault of violet ring constructs. And number 6, energy blasts. Light Ray's hands can fire blasts of fiery energy capable of piercing even titan flesh. And Light Ray prefers to use his solar powers in battle rather than engage in hand-to-hand combat. And in his headgear, Light Ray carries one of the living computers called the Mother Box. And his transportation device is Boom Tube. Light Ray can focus his solar energy into beams of laser-like intensity, and he can also use his powers of light to create lifelike illusions. Also, Light Ray has spectrum vision. Light Ray had the ability to alter his vision to different ranges on the spectrum. And his one more very special ability is gadgetry. Once Light Ray had altered an apocalyptic robot to return to its base and explode. Now let us discuss on Light Ray's weakness. And Light Ray's biggest weakness is vulnerability to radiation. New gods are vulnerable to a substance called radiation. Its source is unknown and its effects are toxic only in sustained amounts or after explosive exposure. Now let us discuss on Sentry. Sentry made his first appearance in the Sentry issue number 1 in September 2000, and he was created by Paul Jenkins and Jay Lee. Sentry, aka Robert Reynolds, he is basically a human mutant, and his team affiliations are New Avengers, Mighty Avengers, Dark Avengers, Horsemen of Death, and his notable allies are the Void and Death. Now let us discuss Sentry's powers and abilities. He basically has molecular manipulation, superhuman strength, speed and stamina, regenerative healing factor, light manipulation and darkness manipulation, complete invulnerability, psionic powers, flight, enhanced senses, matter manipulation, energy absorption and projection, immortality, teleportation, telepathy, astral projection, weather manipulation, invisibility, mind thoughts projection, shape shifting, super durability, mind control, resistance, reality warping, power, bestowal, resurrection, life creation, soul manipulation, death touch, attack and energy reflection, aura reflection, empathy and emotion, manipulation and intellect. And basically in teleportation, in one occasion Sentry has shown an ability to teleport in a binding flash of golden light. That's the only occasion when he showed his teleportation skills. Also, Sentry once ripped apart Carnage into two halves. And his biggest weakness is obviously invulnerability. The Sentry is for all intents and purposes almost completely impervious to harm unless he wills himself to be killed. He has shown no direct weakness. He has been seen surviving extremely harsh atmospheric conditions including the vacuums of space. And Nick Fury has stated that so far S.H.I.E.L.D. has yet to find a way to kill him, and even Iron Man's scanners found no physiological defects in the Sentry's body. Like all of his abilities, his durability depends on his mental state. He can go to completely no-selling class 100 level characters, but as soon as he wishes himself dead, he could be killed in an instant. Notably in Siege, where he asked Thor to kill him. He has also been damaged when he requested to Hulk to punch him in during the Green Goliath's takeover of Manhattan to prevent himself from destroying everyone on the earth. So now, after discussing both the powers and abilities and weaknesses of both Light Ray and Sentry, it's sometimes very hard to decide that who will be the winner, because their powers and abilities are a lot similar. But the feats which Light Ray has shown in terms of energy projection, spectrum vision, and also photokinesis plus accelerated healing are a little bit OP than Sentry. And basically in energy projection, Light Ray could project solar energy, creating brilliant light and extraordinary levels of heat. Using his power to the utmost, he can generate a miniature sun as he did to escape the Black Racer. In terms of speed, Sentry will be the winner, because Light Ray moves at the speed of light and it takes light 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. So Light Ray is not faster than Sentry. So that's it, guys. According to me, if a battle happens between Light Ray and Sentry, Light Ray has a 55% chance and Sentry has 45% chance of winning this battle. But if we take the speed factor, then obviously Sentry has the upper hand. So lastly, thank you all, guys, and please do like, share and subscribe so that you all can get some of the most nice and awesome contents in pop culture.